So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to turn on always on display in your Vivo T4x 5G. So guys, if you want to turn on always on display, so guys, first of all guys, you simply go to the option of settings. In the settings, simply select the home screen and layout. After that, lock screen settings. In the lock screen setting guys, here you tab on the option of edit, and guys here you go, and here you see always on display is turned off. To on its preview, you turn it on. So you just enable and simply turn it on, always on display. Okay, now you just go back, and guys here you see and change and add things on your always on display. Okay, so I like to add this. Okay, so you simply click on downloading, so it's take few seconds to complete its downloading, and now it's download, and so guys simple on the option of done and apply. Now guys here you see, now I'm turning off my phone, and here you see that this is my always on display feature is now enabled. Okay, whenever I tab it. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.